Day 12. I'm starting to hate the sound of my own voice. 12 days of bleeding, and I just read all my posts back to back. They are honest, they are raw, and they are starting to sound like the same broken record. Still nobody, still excuses, still nobody. I catch myself writing the same pain in slightly different words, and I want to throw up. Because the truth is uglier than silence. I'm not just confessing anymore. I'm milking the pain for content, turning my shame into a daily routine so I can feel like I'm doing something important. But nothing is changing. The views are still tiny, the replies are still zero, and I'm still the same guy who quits when it stops feeling special. Tonight, the mirror finally said, if you hate the sound of your own voice, maybe stop talking about yourself and start doing something useful. Day 12 of refusing to be forgettable in silence. Still nobody, and tonight I'm sick of hearing from me too.